Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you my relaxed hair wash day routine. The first product I'll be using is the Tea Tree Moisturizing Shampoo. Next is the Tea Tree Moisturizing Conditioner. Next is the TCB Naturals Leave-In Treatment and this hair oil. So the first step is to soak my hair in water, making sure that every part of the hair is well soaked in water. Next, I go in with the shampoo and I make sure to spread it all over my hair. Then I scrub the hair thoroughly with this silicone brush so I can get any dirt and build-up off the hair. The next step is to rinse it thoroughly. After rinsing, I do a second wash just to be sure that the hair is clean and free of any dirt or build-up. Then I rinse off the shampoo again. Next, I go in with the conditioner, making sure to spread it evenly around my hair. And then I massage my scalp. After doing this, I leave in the conditioner for some minutes, about 10 minutes, before I come back to detangle the hair. So here is the detangling process. I make sure to thoroughly detangle the hair. This is the hair I lost. I rinse off all the conditioner so my hair is free of any conditioner. After washing the hair, I go in with my leave-in conditioner and spread it evenly around my head. Then I dry it with this blow drying brush. Next, I go in with this hair oil and massage thoroughly into my scalp and hair. Then I go in with the brush again just to give my hair a little stretch. And that's it guys, this is the end result. This is my simple wash day routine on my relaxed hair. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.